Good morning. Hope everyone had a good evening. Hope you all enjoyed yesterday's video. Kept back a little bit of footage there for Sunday's video. It's really interesting how we tackle them sort of trees. We do a lot of difficult, dangerous trees with a crane and some machinery, so there'll always be an excess of footage. But yeah, I'm getting it all together for Sunday, so hope you enjoy, and I'm happy to stick out for it. Thank you, like I said last night, for 120 subscribers. I think I'm on 120 something now, which is crazy how quick and how good of a community we've built already, so I really appreciate that. Not too sure what we've got on today. There wasn't any more talk of any more emergency trees to be done, so I'd imagine back to usual business. I think we've got a job coming up for a developer company, so probably some site clearance coming up. I think Wednesday. Yeah, I think from Wednesday onwards we're probably doing that for a few days, so should be interesting. Yeah, for now, just going to head into the yard, get loaded up, and find out what the order of works is today, and then head inside. So, see you then. Got this archway coming out, a bunch of trees there to fell and grind, trim up the back hedge, trim the side boundary, and conifers in the distance there to be reduced to the same height as this. So quite a quick morning, I'm sure. finished up here. Stumps are out, trees out, back edge is trimmed out, right hand boundaries trimmed out. Just finishing up around the front there. Just a bit of connie topping, and that was actually a tree I done just before Christmas. Nice hat stand over this side. But yeah, on to the next one. This afternoon's culprit. As you can see, there's a stump of wood on the ground there which has been cut by someone else, and you can see a bit of a gap in the hedge there where half the tree is, by the looks of it, fallen into the neighbour's side, and we're going to be removing the rest of it. And with a bit of luck we'll have some time to do some work on some of these other trees, but that'll be the main task for this afternoon. A couple of hours and getting that down and logged out and cleaned up, and yeah, see you up there. fair few hours later now, and done and dusted, heading home. A bit bigger than we anticipated. Quite windy up there too. Finally done. Left this morning when it was dark, and I'm coming home. Well, I think it was dark this morning, I can't remember, but coming home when it's dark for sure. Excited to finally get home and see the family. A couple of FaceTimes during the day from my son. It's always nice to keep the spirits going for those of you who have kids. Yeah, quite an eventful day. Storm Isha has definitely rocked the south for sure. So yeah, like I say, there's a interesting one on Sunday for you to keep an eye out for. And then next week, I'm going to try and say this in every video so that you remember, but it's just not actually, I should have really thought about my idea of doing a video every day for a year, because I'm going to be in Manchester for a week, and that's just not going to be possible. So I'm thinking ways around it. I think I'd like to edit into one vlog that I upload on the Sunday when I get home. I think that's probably the best bet. So I'm away from Wednesday, home Saturday, so I might edit that all into what we get up to, travelling there, travelling home, maybe a little bit of the wedding, and chuck it into one big video. It's also not going to be possible for me to do a video every day for a year, because I've got some paintball events that I'll be attending this year. Also, we plan to have a honeymoon this year, and that'll probably be a portion of 10 days or so, or a week at least, away in a foreign country. Again, that'll probably be one where I can try and get some stuff lined up and keep it in the bank, so you've got something interesting to view while I'm away. A lot of you guys are here for the tree work, which I really appreciate you here for any portion of my life. But I've got some paintball events. First one is the 25th of March, around then, for 2 days, called The Underworld, which is I think an ex-military base, a lot of underground CQB, but I'm not going to be able to upload for those 2 days. I'll film the 2 days vloggy style, but also I'd like to get together like a super highly edited, cool action-packed video for you guys for when I come home. So I'll come home and probably spend the evening editing, and hopefully that'll go up at some point the following week. But unfortunately, looking into it more and more, my life doesn't cater towards uploading every day, but I'm going to try my best, and I think if I get 300 out of 365 days, then I'm happy with that, and yeah, we'll see where we take this. Yeah, I hope that's okay with you guys. Should make for a good video, be a bit more of a boring one, unless I get some, if I get like a huge amount of massive tree work that I can splice up into 4 or 5 videos without too much hassle, then I'll set them up ready to be uploaded, and then they'll upload during the week, and then maybe I'll film during that week, and then the Sunday I get back, I'll edit together what we got up to. But either way, you'll get a video either at the end of the week, maybe during each day there. We'll see what amount of work I get. This morning was quite boring, so you'll definitely see this afternoon. It was quite a big conifer takedown, so I hope you found that interesting. But yeah, nothing more to film tonight. A little commute home, and then time to relax. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for all your support and positivity in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the morning. Have a good evening.